Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to fix Telegram bot not working on your Android or iOS devices. First of all, you have to open your Play Store or App Store in your mobile phone, and here you have to search Telegram in the search bar. Now here you have to search Telegram in the search bar. When you search this, now here you have to click on Telegram logo, and here you have to update this Telegram to the latest version. After updating the Telegram, now here you have to click on this Telegram logo icon. Here you have to click on Telegram logo and hold for 3 seconds. After that, you have to click on app info button. Here you can see, when you click on this, here you have to click on storage and cache. When you click on this, here you have to click on clear cache at the right bottom. In this way, you can fix Telegram not working on your Android. Now here you can see your problem has been fixed. In this way, you can fix Telegram bot not working on your Android. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.